Hey guys, let's check out this new Micro One massage gun from RENPHO. Now, I have been loving these miniature or micro mini massage guns. We're in my physical therapy clinic today, and using massage guns at home can be a huge advantage for somebody recovering from post-surgical situation or an injury. These mini massage guns, in my opinion, are just as effective as the big heavy ones. We've got awesome RENPHO massage guns that we use every day in the clinic, but those are like heavy duty industrial. These little guys are more appropriate for somebody who's going to be just using this at home. Holy cow, this thing is, I'm sorry, I don't mean to laugh, but it is awesome. Look at that. That thing is incredible. So here's the deal. Just like most massage guns, there's a little power on and off button on the bottom. I just took it out of the box first time. It comes charged. We've got this little thumper guy. I would say something of this size is ideal for things like biceps tendinopathy, tennis elbow, lateral epicondylitis, medial epicondylitis, Achilles tendon issues. This is the perfect size for some of those superficial injuries, persistent injuries that just won't go away. This is not going to be the ideal situation for a big beefy muscle like a quad or a hamstring. But let's give this a try and we'll check it out. All right guys, so obviously, I am no stranger to RENPHO massage guns. RENPHO has been supporting the physical therapy clinic with products for a long time. Their products have always been super durable. Today we're checking out this mini massager. Specifically, it's called the Micro One. I was blown away at how tiny this thing is. I had no idea it was gonna be this tiny. I just did the unboxing. It comes with the smooth flat head, which is typically what we use with most of our patients, but they do have a couple layers that cover that. This little textured guy, this kind of, I'm gonna say bullet shape, triangular shape. These things just flip over the head that's on there. And I mean, they're fine. But personally, I love the one that comes natively on the device already. It comes with a standard USB-C charging cable, USB on one side, USB-C on the other side. This will plug into any block charger you have. But the standout element of this is just how tiny it is. I mean, look at that compared to my hand. I had said earlier in the video, one of the advantages of something like this is hitting those small areas. If I'm dealing with some lateral epicondylitis, I get it going. I can change the intensity. So if, oh, that feels good. If I'm looking to work on these small areas, lateral epicondylitis, medial epicondylitis, which is basically golfer's elbow. So golfer's elbow on the inside, tennis elbow on the outside, a little biceps tendinopathy. I don't typically have shoulder problems, but when I do, it's almost always up here in the bicep. This little guy is ideal for it. Some of these bigger guns are awesome, but it's kind of overkill. You know, you just don't need this much power for such a small area. And then, as I mentioned before, going around the knee, going around the ankle, the Achilles tendon, these are all areas that you want to focus the intensity. You don't want super high intensity. You want something that's a little more comfortable to hit those soft tissue areas.